Hey folks, and welcome to the latest video in the Rhapsody Power Pack series. I'm Andy Lapping, and in this video I'll show you how to disable OSLC link loading. First, let's discuss why you would want to do this. This model is on Rhapsody Model Manager. If I use the Power Pack to generate an INI file report, here in the Rhapsody Model Manager section you can see I've enabled OSLC Detect Report, which basically logs Rhapsody's OSLC activity into the log window. Now, if I expand a package in the model browser, which is a unit, we can see that Rhapsody sends an OSLC refresh request for every child unit under that one. And this happens every time I expand any unit. Now, since most model elements in RMM models default to being units, this can result in quite a lot of requests. The larger the model, the more units, the more requests, the more time it will take to expand the model browser. So what are these requests asking for? Well, they're asking if there are any OSLC links from any of the model elements in these units. This block, for example, has various remote links to requirements, test cases, work items, and other architectural elements. Now, those requests are sent whether you're logged into the remote server or not. Here, for example, I'm not logged into any of my remote artifact packages, but those requests are still sent. So I can see the links, but they don't yet resolve to anything. Okay, let's reload that project. And this time, before I start expanding the browser, I'm going to use the Power Pack to temporarily disable those refresh requests. So Power Pack, RMM tools, disable OSLC link load. Now, if I expand that same package, there are no requests. So, does this mean I don't see the OSLC links? Well, that depends on the link type. Links to requirements like these are stored in the model, and so they will always be visible even if OSLC link loading is switched off. Only links to the other artifact types like test cases and work items don't show up, because those are stored on the server and Rhapsody has to retrieve them. Let's switch that OSLC link loading back on using Power Pack, RMM tools, enable OSLC link load. Now, if I collapse and expand that block, there are the other remote links that weren't there a moment ago. So, if you only have links to requirements, or you don't necessarily care about remote links at all for the work you're trying to do, you can improve the performance of the model significantly just by disabling that OSLC link loading. Well, that's it for this video. Over the course of this series, we'll explore the rest of the Rhapsody Power Pack features that will greatly improve your Rhapsody user experience. So please do subscribe if you want to be notified as those videos get published. But for now, thanks for watching.